I've chosen to focus on rare cancers in part because I feel like I can have a real impact in an area that's understudied. The challenge is when I entered the field where there weren't really a set of tools that's needed for biological research. A lot of my interaction with Target Cancer has focused on developing such a toolkit to study the disease. I was the first beneficiary of the fundraising from the foundation. I felt both honored and a sense of responsibility to make the most out of this. We're trying to understand all the different properties of different individuals with bile duct cancer, to understand new subtypes, commonalities, and differences, to hopefully design the next round of much more precise medicines. And I believe there's going to be great things coming from these collaborative efforts.
I've loved being involved with Target Cancer Foundation, and one of the highlights of the year for me has been the precision medicine think tank, getting together in an intimate setting with experts from around the country that really fosters back and forth discussion, networking, and advancement, again, with taking care of our patients in the best way that we can.
In the era of precision medicine and personalized medicine, clinical trials are the engine that moves the field forward. Unfortunately, patients with rare cancers may not have clinical trials for them.
In talking with Jim about Target Cancer, he indicated that he was interested in doing a meaningful study for patients with rare cancers. And so this was really exciting to me because it opened up the potential of a national precision genomics study.
This is what the TRACK study does, provides access to patients with rare cancers for molecular testing.
We have a great group of minds that come together every week on Thursday and discuss important cases, and we're able to give detailed treatment recommendations for patients.
We're bringing together different stakeholders with a passion for giving options to these patients, and they could be treated at home. So this would really minimize the disruption to their lives.
The Target Cancer Foundation and the TRACK study has changed my life and the way that I think about treating cancer, the way I think about taking care of patients with cancer, and really my career in total.
We as a community have built a foundation of knowledge, tools, and we've outlined a set of problems that need to be addressed, and I feel like that we can really make headway in the next few years.
This think tank can have a huge impact on the rare cancer field. I would love to continue to collaborate with them to bring additional clinical trials to patients across the nation.
The reality is that my particular cancer, I benefited from the research from prostate cancer. So it matters not that I have a head and neck cancer. What matters was what was driving the cancer. What they're doing specifically with TRACK is, to my mind, it's visionary. It is a seminal approach, and TRACK will end up being a foundational approach to the way cancer is managed on an ongoing basis, rare or otherwise.